This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the tool and launching it with the right permissions. Open Accessibility Insights for Windows and run it as administrator so it can access all UI elements. This avoids incomplete scans. Once done, choose FastPass for a quick automated sweep or Live Inspect to probe specific controls. You're starting the process immediately. Don't waste time on preferences. Make sure to point the tool at the window or app you want tested so subsequent steps operate on the correct target. Now you move into detailed execution. Use Live Inspect to read properties like name, role, state, and bounding rectangle so you understand why an element fails. Run the automated checks to surface common issues, then click each failing element to perform manual verification, keyboard focus, screen reader output, and contrast. Once done, record a test session and annotate failures so developers know replication steps. Make sure to save screenshots and area/property expectations for precise fix. To finish, export the findings as a bug report or FastPass file and share it with your team so work can begin. Prioritize issues by severity, include reproduction steps and the expected accessible behavior, and attach screenshots or recordings. If something goes wrong, for example elements report missing names or unexpected roles, reopen Live Inspect, examine the automation tree, and identify where accessible names or control types are missing. Then provide guidance to add names/property attributes or set correct control types in code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.